Hey, fashionistas! Are you ready to turn every day into a runway without spending hours in front of the mirror? Well, buckle up because I'm about to share some quick style hacks that'll make you look effortlessly glam every single day. First up, let's talk layering. A simple tank top or a basic tee can be transformed with the right layers. Throw on a statement blazer or a trendy denim jacket, and bam, you've elevated your look. It's not just about staying warm, it's about adding texture and dimension to your outfit. Next, accessories are your best friend. A bold necklace, a stylish hat, or even a funky pair of socks can add a pop of color and personality. And don't forget sunglasses. They're not just for sunny days, they're a chic addition that screams fashion forward. Moving on, let's discuss the power of belts. Cinching your waist with a belt can transform a loose dress or an oversized shirt into a figure-flattering ensemble. Plus, it's an instant way to add a sophisticated touch to any outfit. Now, for a real game changer, invest in statement shoes. Whether they're high heels, embellished flats, or colorful sneakers, shoes can make or break your look. So, choose a pair that stands out and builds your outfit around them. Lastly, never underestimate the impact of a good bag. A trendy purse or a classy handbag not only holds your essentials but also complements your attire. It's like the cherry on top of your stylish sundae. With these simple hacks, you'll be able to create stunning outfits in no time. Remember, fashion is all about expressing yourself, so have fun with it and let your personality shine through your wardrobe. Now go out there and slay your day, every day. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications for more tips on how to stay fab on the fly. See you next time.